Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. It is an immersive light experience where you have technology meeting nature's beauty in the form of the incredible botanical diversity of this place. Part of the 127-acre venue transformed into an illuminated garden thanks to the traveling installation called Lightscape, which previously ran in London and Chicago and made its local debut at the Los Angeles Arboretum November 12. It will run through Jan 16. "17 miles of cable powering about 1 million lights along a mile-long route." Welcome to the Lightscape, Los Angeles Arboretum and Botanical Garden, California. The fire garden uses bespoke structure to fill the garden with real fire from candles accompanied by seasonal music. At the very beginning of Lightscape is a geoforest whose conical shapes suggest colorful teepees but which apparently represent Christmas trees. This is my favorite, the giant flower field. While this field is made up of 50 blooms, what makes this giant flower field is the size of these flowers, since they are all about 20 feet tall. They are illuminated by red, white, and yellow lights that make them appear as though they are made of fire. The Church of Love, one of the most romantic and jaw-dropping spots on the route, is the Cathedral of Light, which is a tunnel installation shaped like arched windows found in churches. It is made up of more than 100k tiny white LED globes. Lightscape's most bizarre installation is Disco Tennessee, which features robotic and alien figures. More giant lilies can be seen in the pond, one of the most striking visuals on the Lightscape tour. The grand finale features a lighted water fountain synchronized with flashing lights on the immense lawn, all timed to music. It is an enjoyable, spectacular display that cycles through at short intervals, allowing visitors to capture the whole experience. Lightscape is a beautiful way to enjoy a winter evening. Just remember that, as its name suggests, Lightscape is mostly an overlay of colorful illumination upon LA County Arboretum. There are some spectacular visuals, but the seasonal aspect of the decorations and installation is minimal. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.